MSI Mag 245F X24 Honest Review 2026. Pros, cons, non-sponsored. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am giving you my completely honest non-sponsored review of the MSI Mag 245F in 2026. No brand deals, no bias, just straight talk about whether this monitor is actually worth your money. Let's get into it. Quick overview: the MSI Mag 245F is a 24-inch Full HD IPS gaming monitor running at 180 Hz with a 1 ms response time. It is positioned in the budget to mid-range gaming monitor space, and on paper the specs look really solid for the price. But specs on paper and real-world performance are two different things, so let me give you the real picture. The pros: let's start with what this monitor does well. First, the 180 Hz refresh rate at this price point is genuinely impressive. Gaming feels smooth and responsive, especially in fast-paced competitive titles where high refresh rate makes a real difference. You can clearly feel the difference coming from a standard 60 Hz display. The IPS panel is another strong point. Colors look accurate and vibrant out of the box, and the viewing angles are excellent. Unlike TN panels, you do not get that color shift when viewing from off angles, which matters if you share your screen or use it for creative work alongside gaming. The 1 ms response time keeps motion blur minimal during fast movement, and the monitor handles rapid scene changes cleanly without obvious ghosting. Build quality feels solid for the price point. The stand is sturdy, the bezels are slim on three sides, giving it a clean, modern look on your desk, and the overall build does not feel cheap despite the affordable pricing. The cons: now the honest part, what could be better? The stand only offers tilt adjustment out of the box. There is no height adjustment or pivot, which is a common complaint at this price tier. If ergonomics matter to you, you will want to grab a VESA mount separately, since the monitor does support VESA mounting. At 1080p on a 24-inch screen, the pixel density is perfectly fine for gaming, but if you do a lot of productivity work, reading, or content creation, you may find yourself wishing for a sharper 1440p panel. For pure gaming though, 1080p at 180 Hz is a great combination. The built-in speakers are present but purely functional. They are thin and flat sounding, and you will absolutely want to use external speakers or headphones for any serious audio experience. Who is this monitor for? This monitor is an excellent choice for competitive gamers on a budget who prioritize high refresh rate and responsive gameplay over resolution. If you play titles like Valorant, CS2, Apex Legends, or any other fast-paced competitive game, this monitor punches well above its price. For content creators or users who want the best image quality for mixed-use work, a higher resolution panel might serve you better. Verdict: honest verdict, the MSI Mag 245F is a genuinely good monitor for what it costs. The 180 Hz IPS combination at this price is hard to beat, and the image quality is better than you would expect from a budget gaming panel. The stand limitations and 1080p resolution are the main compromises, but for competitive gaming on a budget, this is a very easy recommendation. And that is my honest, non-sponsored review of the MSI Mag 245F in 2026. Great value, great refresh rate, solid IPS colors. Just manage your expectations on the stand and resolution side. If this review helped you, please like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and I will see you in the next one.